you how it operates. To open the cover, you first open the tailgate. Then on your driver's side, you're gonna have a trigger latch. Pop that trigger latch and you just roll the cover towards the bulkhead. It's held down to the side of the truck with industrial hook and loop Velcro. And the crossbows that support the cover will roll up with it as you roll up to the bulkhead. When you get it to the front, if you want to secure it so you can drive down the road, you have an elastic strap with a hook. You just reach around and go into the loop at the front of the cover. The tension control block is used to adjust the tension on the cover, and we ship them for free to anywhere in the continental US. So if you have any questions, call the experts. We're here to help you pick the right parts for you.
Tonno Pro is the maker of tonneau covers and are unmatched in quality and affordability. Our low roll is one of the best roll-up truck bed covers on the market. It installs easily without drilling, provides full bed access, and enables use of side rails and other bed accessories. What else makes the low roll stand out from other roll-up truck bed covers? Here are the facts. The first thing you will notice is the weather seal flap that is sewn into the front of our cover. This flap helps prevent unwanted moisture from rain and washing from getting into the bed of your truck. The tonneau flap is sewn in for added security, unlike others which are only glued in. The next thing to note is our vinyl. Using tear-resistant double-sided marine-grade vinyl that resists mildew, salt, and chemicals, Tonno Pro vinyl is the highest standard in the industry. Next, you'll notice the stitching. Tonno Pro uses 4 stitches per inch compared to the industry standard of 3, significantly strengthening our seams. Tonno Pro also uses a state-of-the-art thread with a special coating that swells to fill the hole created by the needle during stitching. This prevents even the smallest drop of moisture from getting through. The low roll frame is constructed from lightweight yet durable 6063 industrial grade aluminum and contains a patent pending tension control system to keep the cover in place and maintain tension even after years of use. Additionally, the design and manufacturing process of the low roll's aluminum rails guarantees they won't slip out of place if you have plastic bed caps on your truck. If you have factory plastic bed caps, Tonno Pro provides a special bulkhead filler gasket to fill the void created by them. This will help prevent unwanted moisture from entering the bed of your truck. The Tonno Pro low-roll truck bed cover can be installed by one person in less than half an hour using a 17mm socket and ratchet, along with a short screwdriver. No drilling is required. Because the low-roll truck bed cover mounts inside the bed rails, you retain full access to the stake hole pocket so you can use side rails and mount accessories such as ladder racks, bike racks, tie-downs, whatever you need to enjoy your truck. The Tonno Pro low-roll tonneau cover is one of the most stylish low-profile covers on the market. Its sleek design will provide you years of protection and performance. After installation, go to www.tonnopro.com and register your new cover to initiate the warranty. Because of the aerodynamics of the low-roll cover, you may enjoy savings of up to 10 to 13% on gas. In time, your low roll could pay for itself. And right now, Tonno Pro is offering 4 free gifts with every purchase. Order now and you'll receive the following: Pro Clean, manufactured exclusively to clean, condition, and protect vinyl. Its UV inhibitors will keep your tonneau cover looking like new. A pair of Pro Gloves, perfect for your glove box. They'll protect your hands from automotive grime. You'll also receive the Tonno Torch, a super bright LED light that comes with a Velcro fastener so it can be attached anywhere you need light in your truck bed or elsewhere. Lastly, you'll receive Shore Seal, Tonno Pro's special tailgate seal that provides a barrier against dust and moisture. When it comes to quality, ease of installation, and price, it's no wonder Tonno Pro is the consumer's choice.
When you need the utility of a premium soft roll-up truck bed cover without the premium price tag, TruXport by TruXedo has you covered. Our most affordable soft roll-up truck bed cover protects your cargo from the worst Mother Nature has to offer. The TruXport is there when you need it, and out of the way when you don't. When you need full access to your truck bed, it rolls up and stores at the front. Its UV-resistant leather-grain vinyl looks great on any truck. Its tight front and tailgate seals keep the elements and weather out. Everything from dust and dirt to rain and snow. You can install TruXport in less than 20 minutes without drilling or special tools. Simply connect the cover assembly to the rails before clamping them to your truck bed. To protect your cargo, release the safety straps, unroll the cover, and slam it closed to latch it. The preset tension control keeps the cover smooth and flat for a low-profile look. An industrial hook and loop system seals the sides of the cover down. When used with the locking tailgate, TruXport keeps your belongings safe and dry. When you need to use your truck bed to the fullest, press down on the dual latches, roll the cover to the front, and secure with the safety straps. With the straps in place, you can safely drive with the cover fully open. Every time you close your truck bed, you can rest in the fact that we put all our covers to the test to make sure they're tough enough to fit your lifestyle. We've even custom designed TruXport to your truck's specific year, make, and model for a guaranteed fit. We proudly manufacture TruXport here in the USA and back it with our 5-year warranty. At TruXedo, we believe you shouldn't have to choose between great design and affordability. With TruXport, you can finally have both. TruXedo. Cover your truck, live your life.
Hi, my name is Mike. Today we will be installing a Tyger cover. The shape and quantity of the clamps will vary depending on vehicle and bed size. Short bed, 4 clamps. Regular bed, 6 clamps. Long bed, 8 clamps. Position of the side rail is very crucial for a proper installation and fitment. Make sure the inner edge of the side rail lines up with the inner edge of the truck bed rail. Place the side rails evenly so that the distance between the rear end of the side rail to the tailgate is the same on both sides. When attaching the side rails, it is okay to leave them loose. We will come back and tighten them later. The clamps need to be attached directly to the metal part of the bed rail. You may need to cut a small hole in the bed liner for the clamps, especially for the over the bed rail type of bed liners. Make sure that the ends of the crossbars are resting on the side rails as you're rolling the cover down. After your cover is rolled out flat, you want to make sure that your crossbars are arched upward to avoid pooling of water. The side rail position is important in order to close the cover. Make sure that the locking clip and the side rail are no further than 1/16 of an inch apart. If the cover can't be latched, try moving the side rails outward. If the cover doesn't stay latched, try moving the side rails inward. Gently pull down both sides of the cover. Press along the edges to secure the Velcro. Push down on the end of the cover. Pull the cable on either side to unlatch. The Velcro is used as a guide to roll the cover up straight. Make sure the cover is free of any debris before rolling it up. The safety straps must be used when the cover is rolled up and the vehicle is in motion. Tension control system is located towards the end of the side rails on both sides. It may be used to adjust the vinyl tightness depending on the weather conditions. Only move one increment at a time. Each increment will give you an 1/8 inch of tension adjustment. Same adjustment to both tension plates is needed. If cover is too tight, move tension plate away from the tailgate to loosen the vinyl. If cover is too loose, move the tension plate towards the tailgate to tighten the vinyl. Tension system can also be adjusted back and forth if you have trouble latching down the cover.